H&S. So, box from H&S. I have not opened this one despite what this box looks like. This one, I've taken a little bit of a sneak peek. Here we go. So come on in, take a look. This welding helmet, honestly, this is probably the best welding hood that I have used. I have terrible eyes. I cannot see anything, and these have been amazing. So we all know that you love to comment my videos that I don't use PPE, and so that you guys can all stop harassing me about not being safe. Plasma cutter. So for the truck build and future truck builds, as well as other vehicles, you know. So let's dig into the other box. Okay. We have a box inside of another box. So come on in and take a look at this. Brand new welder. I'm gonna pop all the specs for this welder below in the caption, so make sure you go check that out. This is all H&S Autoshot. Make sure you go give them a follow.